Hey guys, Shaya here and welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm so excited for this video because this video is the first one of my new idea, so to speak, if I may say, draw with me sessions videos. So I talked about this briefly in the previous video about Women's Day. And my whole concept is to try different subject matters and subjects in general, or trying different materials. So this time I'm gonna use three separate colors. So it's not gonna be black and white, and gonna be also sketching, not full art like with complexity of colors and stuff like that. It's more like training my muscle memory and my eye to draw birds. And this is my subject matter, drawing birds. I had so much fun, and honestly, I thought to myself, why I haven't done this before that much. I have studied some birds in the past, but it's nothing like that, I have studied of eagles before, I think a couple of years back digitally. It was a fun experience, but it was digitally, so I can draw something big, then make it small, and now I have a limited space. I have my sketchbook, and for me that's also kind of a personal challenge. Try to fill up the blank spaces between the things that I draw, because usually I'm used to draw one thing in the one page and leave it like that. So that's also one of the new things that I personally try to overcome, and to have more subject matters, in this case, in one page, or maybe 2 pages because the sketchbook is open. But anyhow, and I decided to draw birds, like I said, because I haven't drawn that much birds in the past, and I wanted to study more of their feathers, their movement, their shapes, because they also have interesting shapes. They have different dynamic, like this. The first one that you saw that I just finished is landing down, and the wings are spread, and I think it's a beautiful way to practice and to see where you are in your art journey. So that's one of the reasons I decided to do that. The other reason that I wanted to start this kind of videos is to talk that I currently start a personal challenge for 2 weeks straight. Not that I'm not drawing almost every single day, but now I'm committed to draw one subject matter per day. And even though the last one I drew it, I think 2 days or maybe 3 days, because I started traditionally. I draw some buildings. I made a study of buildings and shading in one page, and then the next day I draw more on the other page, and on the third day I decided to go further and draw it digitally, which I also shared with my Patreons and made a live stream with my Patreons and explained that kind of a personal challenge. So the next day I decided I will draw birds, and that's the whole idea. And I think it's a very good personal challenge to have when you have in a sketchbook, to have kind of a subject matter that you wanted to approach, so you can have a muscle memory to use a reference to build up your skills. So yeah, going there, it's okay to use reference, just to point out. use as much as reference you can, so you can have to build your confidence as an artist and to try to be better and to study as well. So yeah. And also, I do have to point out that this video is not sponsored. This is just me having fun with the materials that I have. And speaking of materials, I'm using my iWall sketchbook, and I'm kind of sad because this is my last iWall sketchbook. But I'm also happy because I think in the end it will be filled up with my whole art journey that I've been using it. Also, I'm using Carandash Prussian blue pencil, also red pencil that I'm not sure from which brand, but for the orange bird I use Kohinoor watercolor pencil. So yeah, and I think you may enjoy the rest of the video, and I'm gonna talk with you in a bit. And after I finished this eagle head, I decided to draw a feather, and as my reference said, it was an eagle feather. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed this process of draw with me, and I will be very excited to see what you create, so share it with me. And yeah, if you want to see more of this kind of content, consider liking this video, giving a subscribe to the channel, and if you want to see more videos, behind the scenes stuff, consider supporting me on Patreon. I will definitely appreciate it. And you can follow me on social media. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below so you can check it out. And can't wait to share a new drawing session with you guys soon. Bye!